Hey everyone, it's Elliot here, and today we're diving into a topic that's been causing quite a stir. iCloud activation lock, also known as that frustrating iPhone lock to owner message. I get it, it's a major inconvenience. So the big question on everyone's mind is, can you really get past iCloud with just a click using iMyFone, iBypasser? Well, my friends, I won't beat around the bush here. Yes, you might come across some software promising the moon and stars, and iMyFone, iBypasser is one of them. It claims to be a one-click solution, and sure, it might seem tempting, but here's the deal. I've been down that road, and I'm here to tell you it's not all it's cracked up to be. These tools often come with hidden costs, potential risks, and no guarantees of success. You don't want to get caught up in that mess, trust me. But fear not, because I've got your back. In this video, I'm going to show you multiple ways to remove that iCloud activation lock, and the best part, they're all legal, safe, and free alternatives that are quicker and guaranteed to work. So sit tight and let's get your device unlocked the right way. Your frustration ends here, my friend. Quick heads up before we continue. I'm here to help those who own their gadgets but forgot their login details. No funny business or illegal stuff here. Let's keep it clean and stick to YouTube's rules. Awesome, let's dive back in. Safe Unlocks, Lock to Owner, Unlock Here's AI-powered web app, and the iUnlock app are some tools gaining attention for their approach to bypassing iCloud activation locks. People often find themselves accidentally locked out of their Apple devices, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, due to forgotten credentials or buying a secondhand device still tied to the previous owner's iCloud account. Unlock Here's web app, for example, uses AI to assist in these situations, offering a more tech-savvy solution than their Safe Unlocks and Lock to Owner, both recognized for their straightforward process, catering to those who prefer simplicity. Interestingly, the backstory of these services often stems from the common frustration faced by users. Locked devices can be a significant hurdle, especially when the original owner is unreachable or the device was bought secondhand. The iUnlock app, handy for those on the move, is part of this ecosystem of solutions, providing a practical option for busy individuals. These services don't just unlock devices, they're a response to a frequent problem in the tech community, offering a blend of convenience and technology. In the next part, we'll delve into how to effectively use Unlock Here's AI unlocking assistant, showcasing its user-friendly nature and how it fits into this landscape of iCloud unlocking solutions. Before we dive into the tutorial, there's something you need to know. Unlock services like the ones we'll be discussing in this video typically work best in first world countries. If you're not in one of those regions or prefer not to use these services, don't worry, we've got you covered. We're giving away 250 unlocks every week to our awesome viewers. Here's all you need to do to enter. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment with your device model, for example, iPhone 8, your IMEI, and your country. As soon as you complete these steps, you're automatically entered into our weekly giveaway. It's that simple. So go ahead and take those actions and you could be one of our lucky winners. Good luck. Let me walk you through the steps for using unlockhere.com. If you're interested in unlocking your phone, open your web browser and visit unlockhere.com. It's a handy website featuring an AI assistant dedicated to helping you remove those pesky mobile phone restrictions. Once you're on the site, you'll encounter the AI bot, which is ready to assist you. Simply let Nifty know you're looking to unlock iCloud by clicking on the activation lock option. Whether you have an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, the next step is to choose your device type. Now you'll need to input some numbers, either your IMEI or serial number. Here's the scoop. iPhones always have an IMEI, while iPads and Apple Watches may only have a serial number, unless they have cellular capabilities. To find this information, briefly press the sleep button on your device, press it once more, tap the little I on your screen, and there you have all the necessary numbers. Once you've gathered the device info, enter it to continue with the process. Next, provide some basic details to associate the order with you. Ensure this information is accurate so you can receive your confirmation email. Additionally, don't forget to agree to the terms and confirm that you're not attempting to unlock a stolen device before proceeding. Before you move forward, make sure to click "I'm not a robot" and complete the quick CAPTCHA. After that, click Start Process, and just like that, you're on your way. Keep a close eye on your email inbox for that confirmation code. Sometimes it might end up in the spam or junk folder, so be vigilant. Once you've received the code, enter it back on Unlock Here. Shortly after, complete the step to verify the information, ensuring you're not a robot. And there you have it. The unlocking process begins seamlessly. As you can see here, we swipe up to see the iPhone locked to owner page. In this part, it really takes time and patience. We wait for the unlock process to activate the phone. And as you can see, we swipe left and wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry, it will be worth the wait. You will enjoy your phone once again once it's finally unlocked. So we wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Patience is the key here. And voila! In this part, let's skip all the setup. Don't worry, you can go back to them later on. Make sure to check the terms and conditions and skip the next steps and just set it all up later on. And there you have it. It says, welcome to iPhone. Now go to settings and create your own Apple ID. Tap forget password or don't have Apple ID to create a new one. And here just add your personal details to continue. And here's a shortcut to check your device info, making sure that this is legit. Great, your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. Next up will be asking Apple. To remove the lock, you have two options. First one is contacting Apple support with the original invoice. Reach out to Apple support, provide them with the original purchase invoice for your device. They will guide you through the process to remove the lock. Another is resetting the Apple ID at Apple's website. Go to Apple's official website. Look for the option to reset your Apple ID. Follow the steps provided on the website to reset your Apple ID and remove the lock. Choose the one that works best for you and let's get that lock removed. Next up is using iCloud unlock software. This method can assist in unlocking your device, but it's important to note that this method requires a Windows computer, which might not be available to everyone. When looking to unlock your device, you'll find various software options, but be cautious as not all of them are effective. A significant concern with downloading software is the risk of malware. To avoid this, consider using online services like Unlock Here or Safe Unlocks. These services don't require you to download anything, making them a safer choice. Remember, always ensure the reliability and security of any service you use for unlocking your device. All right, if the person who sold you the iPhone is willing to help, they can follow these steps to remove the iCloud lock from the device. This is a good method to try. The previous owner should go to iCloud.com and sign in with their iCloud account details. Once logged in, they should click on Find iPhone. This will show all the devices linked to their iCloud account. From the list of devices, they need to find and select your iPhone, the one that is locked. After selecting your iPhone, the previous owner should click on Erase. This will reset your iPhone and erase all the data on it. Finally, to make sure your iPhone is completely disconnected from their iCloud account, they should click on Remove from Account. By following these steps, the previous owner can unlink your iPhone from their iCloud account, which is essential in solving the iPhone lock to owner issue and getting your iPhone back to full functionality. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We trust that this guide has provided valuable assistance in resolving your iPhone lock challenges.